We're at the Eversource Electric Meter Lab in New Britain, Connecticut. This facility services meters for Connecticut and Western Massachusetts. There's two other meter labs as part of Eversource, one in New Hampshire and one in Eastern Massachusetts. Typically we test between 45 and 50,000 meters per year at this lab. Today we're going to be testing a residential meter, which is probably 95% of the meters that are used on the Eversource system. The entire test takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Scanning the meter number into our data collection system, which will automatically set up the parameters for testing the meter. Class accuracy for these meters are plus or minus 0.5% or 99.5 to 100.5%. The meter is considered accurate, and we will prepare this meter to be installed at a resident. It's all about us sending out a completely accurate meter to our customers.